Your school is now an Albert school, so getting technology support is easier than ever. With Albert, you can call us directly, chat with us online, or submit a ticket to the help desk to engage with technology support. Today, let's learn how easy and quick submitting a ticket to the help desk can be. First, go to albert.k12itc.com and click on the support icon. On the next screen, there will be three icons: Submit Ticket, Remote Support, and Online Chat. You can click on any one of them for technology help, but today we're focusing on how to create a help desk ticket. So, click on Submit Ticket. Now simply log in using your email address and Albert Network password. Let's generate a ticket for the help desk. It is important to remember that all fields must be completed for a ticket to be successfully submitted. If you do not have an answer for one of the fields, simply enter a placeholder such as unknown. First, in the Request Type field, select Report a Technology Issue. Then, in the Subject field, provide a very short description of your issue, such as Can't Connect to Printer. In the Request Detail field, enter a longer description of your problem and include as much detail as possible. Information such as error messages, affected application, and whether others are impacted are helpful. The more information, the better. In the Support Medium field, select Web. In the Contact Phone Number field, you should enter your phone number, and in the Contact Email Address field, you should enter your email address. Now select your preferred method of contact. Choose email or phone. Next, type the building name you are in, such as Central Office or South High School. In the Room field, we need to know your location. Be specific and include a room number or any designation. The next field is Computer Name. Enter your computer's name in case we need to remote in. And the last field is Attachments. In this field, you can attach a screenshot or document to help us better understand the problem. Review your information, and if everything looks correct, click the Save button in the lower right corner. Your ticket has been successfully submitted when you see the Thank You screen. Congratulations! This screen will provide you with a ticket number, which will be emailed to you as well. We have zero tolerance for technical issues that can be so troublesome. That is why every ticket is important to us. It's our job to make your job better. Start using the help desk today at albert.k12itc.com.